This is a USB-C to 1/8" audio adapter cable. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase one, it would cost you about $15. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinion remains my own. So in the package is this little adapter. It has a cover over the USB port, and this guy rotates 90 degrees that way, and then it can also spin, I believe, so it can spin kind of around. So you can have this off to the side of your phone, or the bottom, or the top, or just going straight out. And then the other end just has a jack you plug in, a standard headphone port too. Solid connection, it's not going to come out there, and then you just plug this guy into a computer or a cell phone. Typically it's used for a cell phone to adapt them to one of these jacks, because most of the cell phones don't have those jacks anymore. But you could also plug it into a computer as like an extra sound card. It basically shows up as a USB audio device. Specifically shows up as a full speed USB device, AB13x USB adapter generic. So it's pretty much a generic USB audio output. So I plugged it into my phone. There's no obvious pop-ups that says, hey, we detected a new audio device. But my audio is being channeled through the headphones. Alright, so the audio coming out of there works just fine. Easy, moves around wherever you want it. If you need to add a headphone jack to something that doesn't have it but does have a USB-C port, this guy works.